Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something truly exciting to dive into. The Razer BlackWidow V4 75% mechanical gaming keyboard. This compact powerhouse is here to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes this keyboard stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about customization. The BlackWidow V4 boasts a hot swappable design, meaning you can easily swap out its preloaded switches for custom ones to achieve your desired key feel. Whether you prefer the satisfying tactile feedback of the Razer Orange tactile switches or want to try something different, the choice is yours. Now, let's talk layout. Sporting a compact 75% layout, this keyboard is ideal for setups where desk space is at a premium. But don't let its size fool you. The BlackWidow V4 is built like a tank, with an aluminum case that ensures durability while covering all your essential commands. But what about the typing experience? Well, get ready to enjoy light, balanced keystrokes that sound full and satisfying. Thanks to features like the gasket-mounted FR4 plate, tape-enhanced PCB, lubricated stabilizers, and 2 layers of sound-dampening foam, typing on the BlackWidow V4 feels like a dream. And let's not forget about aesthetics. With per-key lighting and a striking 2-side RGB underglow, you can sync the BlackWidow V4 with any battle station and immerse yourself in your favorite games like never before. Plus, with multifunction roller and media keys, controlling your entertainment has never been more convenient. Last but not least, comfort is key, quite literally. The BlackWidow V4 comes with a magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest, ensuring that even during the most intense gaming marathons, you'll stay comfortable and focused on the action. And there you have it, folks, the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% mechanical gaming keyboard. With its hot swappable design, compact layout, optimized typing experience, immersive RGB lighting, and comfortable wrist rest. It's a must-have for any serious gamer looking to elevate their setup. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy gaming!